everyone, take some fruit foam net and then make a slit right through it and make it diagonal in nature. Cut out a small strip of it, make these diamond-like shapes out of it. Do this out of red and yellow and then arrange it in a circular shape. Add some clay in the middle of this, then take some bendable twine, add it as the stem. Now add some more fruit foam net to the base as the base and then add leaves on either side. Next, take these empty shells, arrange it in a circular shape to make these flowers, add clay in the center and then add these twines underneath it in order to make the stems of these. Add some more empty shells on the side and then add some antenna to the top to make it look like butterflies. Add this little cup at the bottom as well. Next, take some brown paper, cut it out in the shape of a bark of a tree. Now, arrange these grasses all around the top as such and then add little balls of clay to it. Now, add detailing to the bark of the tree as such using a black marker. You may also add some grass to the bottom. This will be how it will look like. Next, take some cream paper and then take some pink paper at the bottom, add some green paper to it. Now, add the bark of the tree of this using some black paper and then afterwards add the grass out of paper at the top. Add the coconuts out of different colors of clay. Next, we'll start off by taking multiple empty seed shells and then afterwards at the bottom of it, add some glue to it and then arrange it in this shape. Now, as you go to the top, add more and more branches to it as such. Now, take little bits of corn and then break it up and then add it all around. These will be seen as the leaves of the bark of your tree. Next, take some empty seeds and then afterwards cut them into half and then arrange them in the shape as such. Now, as you go to the top, begin to arrange it in a V shape in different directions. This will make the leaves of a coconut tree as such. Now, after you're done with this, you may slowly begin to paint it in green. Do this for all of the branches. Now, add brown balls of clay in order to make the coconuts for this coconut tree. Next, cut out a circular shape out of some yellow paper and then afterwards fold it up at the bottom. Make multiple of these and then add a circular shape of paper in the center and arrange all of your almost triangular sheets all around it. Now add a stem to it as well as some leaves, add grass to the base. Next, start off by taking a blue sheet of paper, add green to the bottom of it, that is green paper. Add the bark of a tree made out of black paper and then add green circular sheet at the top of this. Add apple cutouts to the top and then on either side add these little trees to it. Add apples to the bottom of it and there you have it. Next, take a black sheet of paper, cut it out in an ovular shape. Now, once you're done with this, add this little U shape to the bottom as well, made out of white paper. Add this leaf shape to the top, add eyes to the top of it, add the feet as well, add the arms on either side. Now, add this little scarf to it as well, made out of red paper. Make sure this is in the middle. Next, take a blue sheet of paper, cut out this yellow circular sheet of paper at the bottom, add the arms and the legs on either side as such. At the top, you may add the claws. This will be a little crab. Add the eyes to the front as well, and then afterwards, add the claws of the crab at the top. Now, add grass underneath it using semicircular green sheets of paper. Next, take a blue sheet of paper. Now take multiple leaves and then stick these leaves in the circular shape. In the middle of it, add this empty bottle cap. Now draw on the stem, add leaves on either side of it. Arrange these in a circular shape and then afterwards make a butterfly at the bottom. Do the same out of the top as well and then add the antenna to the top of this. This will be the final look of it. Next, take a green sheet of paper, fold it up into half and then cut out the circular shape out of it. Leave it folded as a semicircular shape. Now add yellow circles to it. Take this blue semicircular shape, add it to the bottom alternatively. Now take two more different shapes, add it to the top and now it should look like the ship on some water. Thank you for watching.